Okay, this is Juliet W. Home Improvement Contractor LLC. So that's the project that I was telling you about earlier. So I had to sparkle and sand. So this is the job. So we already do everything now. This is it. So after that, I have to paint and finish sand this part. It's not completely finished. So after that, I need to clean before I start the laminate floor. This is how it looks like right now. They got a tile on it, so we're gonna put laminate floor. And there will be a door here. We're basically done. So just waiting for everything else to be finished. I gotta let this part dry. This part here gotta be dry because I just finished it before I send it to completely that job. There you go. We do it. If you got any basement to be finished, do not hesitate to call in 443-435-2848. No work is too big for us. Okay? So we got to clean. So I'm looking for somebody to clean and to take all this trash away from me. Anyway, peace out. Let me turn it on me to show myself. Yes.